Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use split screen feature on your LENOVO G70 laptop. So to use the split screen feature, let's open up a few applications like this, and then to enable split screen, you'll have to select one application and set it on the side of your laptop, whichever you like the most. So for me it will be File Explorer, and I'll put it on the left side. And as you can see, I can choose one of two programs to put on the right side of my display. So for example, let's select our browser, and right now we can use both programs at the same time with the split screen feature. We can also resize every of these windows just by dragging this bar right here to the left or to the right, whichever window you want to make more visible. And basically that's how it works. That's how you use split screen on your LENOVO G70 laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.